Despite continued economic woes, Utah SBA loans are being granted at record levels. Written by PR Web, Friday, 2nd of April 2010. Utah-based business finance consulting agency www.unsecuredbaseloan.com offer a variety of loan options for small business owners to get the funding necessary to grow and expand businesses. Utah broke record for SBA loans in 2009. Draper, Utah, April 2, 2010. Regardless of your personal feelings about last year's American Recover and Reinvestment Act, the economic stimulus legislation brings good news for Utah business owners looking for small business loans. Because its stimulus funds allocated for small business loans, the Utah chapter of the Small Business Administration, SBA, has broken its record for granting SBA loans in a single year. UnsecuredBizLoan.com uploads this move because it not only helps small businesses, it helps the state's economy. What makes lenders so willing to approve SBA loans? The fact that SBA loans are granted up to 80% by the federal government, making them a much less risky investment for lenders. And the Utah SBA District Office is among the top producing offices in the nation, with only the Los Angeles, Chicago, and New York metropolitan areas showing greater loan volumes. This means that the marketplace atmosphere in Utah is ripe for the establishment and growth of small businesses in spite of several months of volatile nation economy. And the news gets better. www.unsecuredbizloan.com, a Utah-based business finance consulting agency, is making it even easier to apply for and be approved for a variety of small business loans from a broad range of lenders. Daniel Drew, founder of UnsecuredBizLoan.com, explained that various loan options available for small businesses. We offer more than just SBA loans. Our goal isn't simply to offer SBA loans, but rather offer many different types of loans to give as many different businesses with different credit issues an opportunity to get funding. Drew went on to say, SBA loans are a great thing. However, they aren't the only option out there. Other types of small business loans available through UnsecuredBizLoan.com include unsecured business loans, unsecured business lines of credit, and business cash advance option. Each has its individual stipulations and requirements, but on the whole may be more convenient and easier to qualify for than SBA loans. SBA loans have requirements that many small businesses can't fulfill. Drew explained when asked about the need for different types of small business loans beyond SBA loans. For example, many SBA loans require business to buy a storefront or office space, and many small businesses simply don't need this. UnsecuredBizLoan.com works to determine the best type of small business loan to meet the needs of a business while taking credit history into account, and then brings businesses and lenders together to make the best possible matches. Oftentimes, an SBA loan is the best option. However, in cases where an SBA loan would be less beneficial than an unsecured business loan, unsecured business line of credit, or a business cash advance, UnsecuredBizLoan.com helps businesses get funding in a way that works best for them. Visit UnsecuredBizLoan.com to learn more about options for unsecured small business loans and SBA loans in Utah. About UnsecuredBizLoan.com. UnsecuredBizLoan.com specializes in small business loans. We work with a network of regional and national banks, credit unions, SBA, conventional and non-conventional lending institutions. UnsecuredBizLoan.com helps clients navigate the complex banking application and funding process surrounding unsecured lines of credit. Brought to you by www.unsecuredbizloan.com.